Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Project Zomboid version. To change versions, open Steam and go to your library. Right-click Project Zomboid or click the gear icon if you're in the game page and select Properties. In the window that opens, click the Betas tab. In the Betas drop-down, you'll see options like None, which means the stable release, currently build 41, or Unstable, which gives you access to build 42. In the list are also other versions of both builds you can pick. Select the version you want, and Steam will automatically download and install that build for you. Once the download finishes, launch the game normally. If you choose None again later, Steam will switch you back to the stable release and download the corresponding files again. And that's how you change the version of Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.